everyone. Welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Gray. Today, Gray and I are going to make a delicious and healthy fruit and veggie smoothie. Are you ready, Gray?
Yes.
Great! Let's get started. First, let's go over the ingredients we'll need for our smoothie. We'll start with 1 ripe banana. It can be ripe or frozen. Bananas are full of potassium and make our smoothie creamy. 1 cup of spinach.
Spinach.
Yes, it's super healthy and gives our smoothie a nice green color. Next, we have half a cup of sliced strawberries. They're packed with antioxidants and add sweetness. Next, we add 1 tablespoon of almond butter. We'll also add 1/4 cup of plain 2% non-dairy yogurt for some protein. We are vegan, so we don't eat dairy, but you can substitute for Greek yogurt as well. And finally, 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk to blend everything together. Okay, Gray, let's start by adding the banana to the blender.
Done.
Great! Now, let's add the spinach.
Spinach.
Next, the strawberries.
Yes.
Next, the butter. Now for the yogurt. We pour in the almond milk. Time to blend. Let's see how our smoothie turned out.
It's good. Yummy.
I'm glad you two like it. It's a perfect way to get our fruits and veggies.
Me too.
Me too. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed making this smoothie with us.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching.